afternoon. We're doing 2020 certified football for HH Sports on breakers. Good luck. Knick knack wacky peck. Oh, thanks. No, I'm good. Don't worry. All right, here we go. There's Kyler Murray. Grant Delpit. 204 of 299. George Kittle. Nick Chubb. 151 of 450. Seal of approval, Lamar Jackson. Deshaun Watson. Nice patch for the Bills. Josh Allen, 15 of 99. Chase Claypool. There's your nice Mahomes. Zach Moss, 224 of 249. Nice RPA. Man, if you're a Bills fan, this was a great box. The greatest Randy Moss. Deebo Samuel out of 199. Lamar Jackson Gold Team. Marlon Davidson, 159 of 199. Jalen Reagor. Oh, nice. 1 of 1. There you go. Good pick on the box. NFL logo with a Nike swoosh. 1 of 1 rookie card. Congrats, man. Next generation, first 1 of 1 we pulled. Marlon Mack out of 99. Oh, yeah. Kyler Murray.
I got a response from Kevin. He said the stitches are bugging the crap out of him.
I bet.
Kenny Golladay and 900 points. Well, congratulations. HH, would you like that the 1 of 1 in a top loader or one touch? Top loader is probably safer. It won't move around as much, but whatever you'd like. Man, the points, that counts as a... Unfortunately, the points count as a autograph to Panini. So